Hi, my name is Anwar from Eureka Archery, and today I'll be unboxing the 30-pound version of the crab bow. It says here YL for yellow, and the poundage is 30 to 32 pounds. So let's see what's in the box. So this is the box, just like the previous model. So you can see what's inside. So we have a brochure, descriptions, and the installation steps. Pretty good step up from the previous packaging. So please observe the warnings that is set, and this flyer. Next we'll have the string, 12 strands, the handle core and the handle wraps, as well as the two limbs. So let's put it all together and give it a go. So let's put the bow together. So this is the first limb, covered in plastic, and the second limb. Now, just like the model before, we have to take the handle core and put it in as such. Make sure that it goes in real tight, real snug, and the top. So you want to make sure that the bow is attached closely, such as that. Minor gaps is not really a problem. So this is the bow all assembled. Next we'll take the string, .12 strands of duckthorn string, and let's string it up. So make sure the string is properly aligned, and this is the crab bow, 30 pounds. 30 pounds at 28 inches and 32 pounds at 33. So let's see how it shoots. For the first test, we'll be using carbon arrows at roughly 3 meters. Right, here we are at 10 meters. Here we are at 18 meters. Here we are at 25 meters. So this bow is great for beginners as well as intermediate archers. 30 pounds is not really a problem. So if you are looking for a secondary bow, or a rather indestructible bow, this could be the bow of choice. Personally, I shoot 40 pounds, but with a 30-pound bow like this, really nice design, and you can overdraw the bow. It's a really good bow for its price. And basically we'll be doing some more modifications to the bow. We'll add a different paint job for it. So you can refer to this picture right here. And this is an order made by Jonathan from Singapore. He wants to change this crab bow to look like this. So we'll see how that happens in a few weeks time. Overall, I'm really loving this bow. Pretty accurate for its price and size. 30 pounds. It's a takedown design, so once you're done shooting, like before, just unstring the bow and, well, it goes into 2 parts, and you can even put it in your backpack. So small, so compact. It's a great bow system. So yeah, if you want to find out more about this bow, head on over to Eureka Archery, where we're both on Facebook and on YouTube. So be an archer today.